Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I make my chicken with mustard cream sauce. It's quick to make and delicious, so keep on watching. You must have your pan on medium-high heat and add the butter and oil in it. Once the oil is hot, you can add your chicken. You can use chicken breasts instead. So we want to brown this 5 minutes on each side. And meanwhile, you can dice your onion. Then add the onions to the chicken. Now I'm adding 1 crushed garlic using a garlic press. It's time to add the carrot. So this is frozen, but you can of course use fresh. 1 bay leaf. Now I can mix that in. Add the water and cover the pan for 10 minutes on medium-low heat so that the carrots and the chicken can cook evenly. After 15 minutes, the chicken and the carrots are cooked. You can now lower the heat and add the cream. 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and mix that in. Season to taste. I'm adding salt and pepper. It's been 5 minutes since we added the cream, and you can now see the final consistency of the sauce. And you are done! You can now serve this with a side of rice or mashed potatoes, anything you like. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. More videos are coming. Bye!